Songsterr is a collection of over 500,000 guitar, bass and drum tabs. It has two plans, Free and Plus. Let's cover the free features first. All the tabs on Songsterr are available free of charge. You can either browse the most popular tabs or search the tabs you need. You can filter the search results by your instrument, tuning or difficulty level. We have a policy of one accurate version of tab per song, so you won't have to pick and choose between different versions. You can play back tabs with a realistic guitar engine. Most of the tabs have multiple instrument tracks. You can switch to other guitar tracks or to bass, drums, or even vocals. If you have any questions on the tab notation, you'll find a comprehensive guide in our FAQ. We first explain the symbols that occur in the current track, and also offer a full guide on how to read the tab. You can also browse or search other help articles, or contact our support team via form. You can enable counting before playback, so that you'll have time to pick up the guitar and get ready. Another free feature is metronome. To focus on the tab and see more measures at once, you can use the full screen mode. The buttons are automatically hidden. You can access them by moving the mouse to the right side of the screen. You can favorite a tab by clicking the star button to the left of the song name. If you don't have an account, you can sign up free of charge via Google or email and password. You can view the favorites via the Favorites button in the left toolbar. If you have many favorites, you can structure them as playlists. For example, you can create a playlist for a specific performance or for the tabs that you've already learned. You can also search your favorites and filter them by instrument, tuning, and difficulty level. You can quickly access all the player features via keyboard shortcuts. For example, type N to toggle metronome. Also, most of the tabs have chords and lyrics versions. Just click on the chords icon to the left of the song title to view it. All tabs are contributed by users. You can submit a tab in Guitar Pro format via the Submit tab button in the left toolbar. Any user can submit a tab. No approval is required. Your tab will appear in a few minutes after the submission, after we render the audio. Songsterr is similar to Wikipedia. There is only one tab per song, and any user can improve a tab by submitting a revision. You can add a revision via the Edit button to the right side of the tab title. Just download the current revision as a Guitar profile, make some changes, and upload the tab back. You can use either commercially available Guitar Pro software or a free Tux Guitar competitor. If you notice a bad revision, you can revert to the previous one via the View button in the Revisions pop-up. And you can report a bad revision via the Report button. A revision with a few reports will be automatically hidden, and its author will receive a notification via email with an option to appeal the removal. If you want to make a quick fix to the tab without submitting a revision, or you are not sure about the fix and want to make it private, you can use the Tab Corrector tool. Just click on the note and either change its thread or delete it. You can also add new notes by clicking on the strings. Please note that corrections are private and will not affect the sound. For public or more complex changes, please use revisions. Now let's cover the paid features of the Plus plan. You can test all the paid features via the demo song. The three most popular paid features are tempo control, loop, and printing. You can slow down the difficult tab. And you can speed it up to gain extra confidence during a normal tempo performance. You can also loop a measure or any part of the tab. If you don't need our tab player to learn a song, or you don't want to rely on a computer to perform, you can print the tab out. When you learn a solo, background instruments can be a distraction. In cases like this, you can solo the current track. When you are ready to perform, you can mute the current track and use the tab player as a backing track. Some tabs can be in non-standard tuning. If you don't want to retune your guitar, you can pitch shift the audio of the tab. the tab notation remains intact. Plus Plan also removes all the ads and includes access to our iOS and Android apps. Just sign in to your Songsterr account in the apps to get full access to all the paid features. Those were all the features that we have on Songsterr. Thanks for watching and for using our app.